Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing the number 8 credibility killer when talking during your Social Security disability hearing. Let's go through the first 7 just so you have the actual quick list. Number 1 was lying about drugs. Number 2 was lying about alcohol. Number 3 was lying about smoking. Number 4 was lying about where you live. Number 5 was lying about who helps you. Number 6, lying about where you were. And number 7, types of hobbies you enjoy. And then, of course, the videos go into details as to how people usually get caught, so watch them if you like. Now, number 8, talking about pets that you have. When you bring up pets, some pets require very little upkeep. They are like mouses, they are like gerbils, they are like things that are itty-bitty that don't require heavy lifting, moving, they live in a cage, that's their life. Then there are pets that require a lot of upkeep, such as highly energetic dogs, that's why they ask about the breed, such as horses, such as hippopotamuses, just kidding, such as alligators, we live in Florida, just kidding, crocodiles, just kidding, alligators, such as anything, you know, don't say kangaroo, no. So what I mean by all of this is that the judge, their brain, when they hear dogs, they think about who feeds the dog, who walks the dog, who cleans up the dog's poop, who cleans up the dog doing stuff on the inside, who plays with the dog on the inside, who runs with the dog, who throws the stick, all that stuff. Do not think these judges don't have a soft spot, some of them, for animals. I've seen some of the meanest, toughest judges just supple up when it comes to pets. And that is because they own pets, kind of like I do, which is a traumatic story of why I'm even doing these videos right now to get me ready for live, because I need to know if I can even do it again this week, because I couldn't do it last week because of what happened. It was so horrific in my life that I just didn't know how to deal with it. But we are doing these videos right now so that we can work through that, because in about 30 minutes I have to go live. So what we're going to do is pets. Pets are a tough topic. When you talk about your pet, a lot of people don't realize that the judge is writing down that you have the capacity to do all these things, ergo you don't have physical limitations. Lifting pet food, it's heavy, it comes in a big bag. Lifting water bowls, lifting the pet, you know, how much does your pet weigh? All these different things are categorized into basically showing how you're unable to work in the national, or showing how you could potentially work in the national economy because your RFCs are not that limited. RFCs are residual functional capacities. So my point to you with this whole thing is, okay, when you want to talk about your pets, make sure you explain in detail what's true. Who helps you with your dog? Who helps you with your cat? You know, is this something that you can do all the time? Does somebody come over? Do you have a boyfriend or a husband or a wife or whatever that comes over and helps you? Who does these functions with you? Because they're very relevant to show basically your limitations and why you can't do things with your pet. You know, bringing up pets doesn't have to be a bad thing. It could be a cornerstone for explaining your limitations with things. But a lot of you guys don't think of it that way. Start thinking of it that way, all right? My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you want the most up-to-date information or you want to add a question to the list of the ones that I answer, that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call, or just be with me live on Thursday nights from 8 to 10 on YouTube. All right? Have an absolutely wonderful day. I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much.